This is the day that will last in no memories, no reason to smile. Because great things start with small beginnings. These humble wishes from our tender hearts, casting the future, crafting a new world, making our human and burning our flame. Masters of wisdom, angels of young minds, shaping crystals out of gold. So glad to welcome you. We wish to give our joyful heart, celebrate what we bring us together. We are the one voice, we are to welcome you. We are so glad to welcome you. We wish to give our joyful heart, what we bring us together. We are the one voice, we are to welcome you. We are to welcome you. We are to welcome you.
The beauty of the world lies in the diversity of its people, and culture is the art elevated to a set of beliefs. Honorable dignitaries and most valued parents, the broad sun is sinking down in tranquility. The dazzling stars on the late evening dark blue sky announces arrival of a great evening. And I, Sahazeb Adnan, extend a warm and cordial welcome to all of you in the evening of great promise. Our institution is constantly working to develop the abilities in every individual, to cultivate the creativity, to foster the feeling of autonomy and the developed feeling of responsibility to society. And keeping this in our mind, we are going to present another annual day, showcasing the talent of around 900 students of class nursery to class 12. In this program, Rainbow, the color of emotions. The theme beautifully symbolizes the diversity of human feelings and experiences. We promised you an evening full of vibrant performances and cherished memories.
हम वादा करते हैं कि आज की शाम आपको आनंद, रचनात्मकता तथा प्रेरणा से भर देगी। तो आइए इस खूबसूरत यात्रा की शुरुआत करते हैं।
It gives us an immense pleasure to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to our distinguished chief guest, Sri Vikas Rai, Sir Divisional Magistrate of Chandil.
श्री विकास राय सर एक बहुत ही सम्मानित व्यक्तित्व है जो प्रशासनिक कार्य क्षेत्र में अपने उल्लेखनीय योगदान के लिए जाने जाते हैं। यहाँ उनकी उपस्थिति वास्तव में हमारे वार्षिक समारोह में गरिमा और प्रतिष्ठा जोड़ती है। सर, हम आपकी उपस्थिति से वास्तव में सम्मानित महसूस कर रहे हैं। आज शाम हमारे साथ रहने के लिए तथा अपना बहुमूल्य समय देने के लिए धन्यवाद।
Let us now invoke the blessings of the Almighty by lighting the ceremonial lamp, a tradition symbolizing knowledge and enlightenment. We request our chief guest, SDM Sri Vikas Rai sir, CJM Dr. Ravi Prakash Tiwari sir, Principal ma'am and other dignitaries to kindly step forward for the lamp lighting ceremony.
Namo Sute, Namo Sute.
As a gesture of our respect and gratitude, we invite our head boy and head girl for a plant presentation to the chief guest and other dignitaries. Now, to honor our chief guest, may I kindly request our respected principal ma'am to come forward and present shawl as a token of our appreciation and respect.
माँ सरस्वती को ज्ञान, विद्या और कला की देवी माना जाता है। सरस्वती वंदना हमें यह सिखाती है कि ज्ञान का प्रकाश हमारे जीवन से अज्ञानता की अंधकार को दूर करते हैं। सरस्वती वंदना हमें यह याद दिलाती है कि शिक्षा और कला हमारे जीवन का आधार है।
To begin the evening, let us invoke the blessing of Goddess Saraswati, the epitome of wisdom and knowledge, through a soulful Saraswati Vandana. Every success story begins with a visionary leader. It is always an honor to hear from our guiding light, our respected principal ma'am. She inspires us every day to strive our excellence and uphold the values that our institution stands for. We now invite our respected principal, Madam Shampa Banerjee, to deliver the annual report and share the achievements and milestones of our school. Ma'am, please.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's my pleasure to extend a warm welcome to you all in this evening to the annual function and prize distribution ceremony 2024 of Dayavati Modi Public School. On behalf of the school management, staff and students, I cordially welcome our chief guest, Shri Vikas Rai sir. I also welcome our guest of honor, Shri Vikas Rai sir, and CGM Dr. Ravi Prakash Tiwari sir, CEO Amit Kumar Srivastava sir, Inspector Mr. Ajay Tiwari sir, and Mr. Amit Kumar. Now, other dignitaries to present here. I extend a special welcome to the parents for being present to encourage us in this evening. Before we proceed for the events, it is my customary duty to present before you the school's annual report for session 2024. In response to a long cherished desire of resident of BSIL colony and its surrounding villages, the president of BSIL, Seth Umesh Kumar Modi, a well-known industrialist, philanthropist, a man devoted to education, founded this institution after the name of his mother, late Bahadurni Dayavati Modi, a great lover of education itself. Mrs. Kumkum Modi, the Vice President of Dayavati Modi Public School, formally inaugurated this school in the year 1997, and she enriches us with her continuous guidance. In the words of Swami Vivekananda, education is the manifestation of the perfection already in men. We at Dayavati Modi Public School believe in the furtherance of knowledge. At the same time, we are aware that knowledge acquisition is a lifelong process which occurs within and outside the premises of a classroom. Thus, Dayavati Modi Public School aims at a learner-centered approach rather than teacher-centered learning, keeping the National Education Policy to 2020 in mind. Dayavati Modi Public School is considered as one of the best schools in the city, not only for its result, but for its culture too. And I feel very proud to be a part of such amazing institution. The school aims at and does impart a practical and purposeful education to pupils. The best education is given with utmost care, love, and understanding with a view to instill into these young minds moral and ethical values, strength and character, discipline and abiding spirit of service and sacrifice. It provides all-round education, physical, mental and spiritual growth of the children through a perfect blend of academics, sports and co-curricular activities. Our school has set many milestones of success. The academic year 2024 of our school has been very epoch-bringing, great laurel, adding many feathers to the crown of success in every domain. I wish to begin with a performance on the academic front. The philosophy of school classes is one generation will be the philosophy of the government in the next. Excellence in academics in the hallmark of any good institution, and classes 10 and 12 results of the school proved without any doubt that our students have made us proud. In class 10, the result was 100% in the session 2023-24 in class 10. The toppers are Sumit Gupta, Yashu Pachari, Anirudh Paul. And in class 12, the toppers are Sumit Kumar, Anvesha Barma, Vanshika Vatika, Rumjum Sen and Bhumika Kumari. The pass percentage of class 12 in science stream is 97% and in overall academic performance is excellent. The quality of your thinking determines the quality of your mind. Participation in the different Olympiad itself is the biggest competition where a student competes to outshine others. It infuses a healthy competitive spirit through reward-based assessment. Various national and international Olympiads were conducted in the school. In Indian Talent Olympiad for Mathematics, Vishnu Tudu, state rank 17, Puru Prabhav, state rank 18, and Dheeraj Mahato, state rank 16, bagged excellence medal. Then for drawing, Riya Singh Sardar, state rank 4, Khushi Kumari, state rank 4th, Sandeep Mahali, state rank 11th, bagged excellence medal. And Riya Singh Sardar and Khushi Kumari has got scholarship of ₹1,000. Science Olympiad Foundation organized Olympiad on different subjects in the session 2023-24. In International English Olympiad, Anindita Mahanti of grade 7, Khushi Pandey of grade 7, Puru Prabhav and Pratik Kumar Mahato of grade 7 bagged gold medal of excellence. Aditi Ekta Topo of class 10 and Sudipto Kundu of class 12 bagged gold medal of excellence. In National Science Olympiad, Shubham Madeshia of class 2, Arushi Orao of class 3, Nidhi Ravi of class 3, Nisha Kumari of grade 3, Babesh Mahato of grade 4, Madhusudan Mahato of grade 5, Shubham Kumar of grade 5, Sudarshan Tudu of grade 5, Krish Mahato of grade 6, Puru Prabhav of class 7, Ankit Shahu of class 7, Hemant Kumar Murmu class 7, Dheeraj Kumar Mahato grade 8, Subhash Chandra Mahato of grade 8, Manisha Mahato grade 8, Bibashika Das of grade 9, Shivam Kumar Mahato of grade 9, Rakesh Mahato of grade 9, Sahadev Adnan of class 10, Vidyut Mahato of class 10, Pragya Prabhav of class 10 and Suman Mahato of class 10 bagged gold medal of excellence. In International General Knowledge Olympiad, Pragya Prabha of class 10 bagged gold medal of distinction. In International Social Science Olympiad, Puru Prabha of grade 7, Rudra Ayush of grade 8, Mithlesh Rajwar of grade 10, Vidyut Mahato of grade 10 and Pragya Prabha of grade 10 bagged gold medal of distinction. And Pragya Prabha has got zonal gold medal. His social science international rank is 7, zonal rank is 1st, and scholarship gift pack rupees 500 and cash rupees 10,000 she has got. Sahadev Adnan of class 10 bagged gold medal of excellence. In International Commerce Olympiad, Ankit Chaudhary of class 12 bagged gold medal of excellence. In National Cyber Olympiad, Pragya Prabha of grade 10 bagged gold medal distinction. Now come to the sports. Sports teaches us how to lose, but it also teaches us how not to be a loser. The domain of sports has the vast potential to better the game of life itself. Besides promoting physical fitness, it lays importance of healthy lifestyle and helps in developing social skills. Sports play a pivotal role in instilling among our impressionable learners values that would hold them in good stead throughout their lives, such as discipline, team spirit, sportsmanship, etc. Our students participated in various championship tournaments at district and state level and CBSE cluster and won medals, certificates and trophies. Strength doesn't come from physical capacity, it comes from unity. The students of our school are divided into 4 different houses: Ganga, Narmada, Kaveri and Brahmaputra. Each house is managed by house captains under the guidance of teachers. The house on duty performs its duty of conducting the day-to-day activities, competition in systematic and disciplined manner to make students independent decision maker and to inculcate leadership quality which is part of education. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Various co-curricular activities are held under different clubs to develop a child physically, mentally, morally, socially, and to have skills in co-scholastic areas. Regular club activities are held in which the students participate and display their caliber. Clubs offer important life skills that a learner can use for the rest of his or her life. The different clubs we offer to the students are musical, dance, drama and sports, where efficient trainers come to train the students to develop their skills. Giving equal importance to the sports and cultural activities, we perform different activities like football, basketball, archery, rollball, taekwondo, kho-kho, and special coaches involved to train our students. As a part of the curriculum, we had our field trips for all classes. Field trips were arranged to the historical monuments in Odisha for students of classes 9 to 12, and our junior students had their visit to the zoo, and middle school students visited coin museum, and a set of students visited coin industry, poultry farm and nursery farm. In keeping with the school's policy of continuous upgradation of knowledge and skills, our teachers attend various workshops and seminars organized by Central Board of Secondary Education to improve their academic transaction skills and to update their capabilities. We have guest lectures by subject experts by students of classes for the students of classes 11th and 12th. Many milestones have been achieved and many still have to be reached. Keeping in mind the request of parents, I am glad to inform you that from the academic session 2022-23 onwards, we had residential learning facility in our school for boys and a play school at Sun City, Chandigarh. Our students are getting well-equipped lavatories, library, upgraded computer labs and many such infrastructural facilities. We at Dayabati Modi Public School will continue our unceasing efforts to shape the young minds into well-balanced personalities with confidence and zeal befitting the standard of this portal of education. Thus, this academic session brought about countless priceless awards and rewards and added feathers to our school. Kindly accept my thanks for showing immense trust in us and for encouraging and inspiring our children by your benign presence. Please enjoy today's program being presented by our students. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspirational words. Your guidance and encouragement always motivate us to work hard, aim high, and give our best in everything that we do.
Excellence deserves recognition. It's time to applaud the remarkable achievements of our students.
अब समय है उन चमकते सितारों को सम्मानित करने का जिन्होंने अपने कठिन परिश्रम, प्रतिभा और समर्पण से स्कूल का नाम रोशन किया है। यह क्षण उनके लिए गर्व का है और हम सभी के लिए प्रेरणा का। हम सम्मानपूर्वक अनुरोध करते हैं कि हमारे माननीय मुख्य अतिथि मंच पर आएं और इन मेधावी छात्रों को पुरस्कार प्रदान करें। यह उनकी मेहनत का परिणाम है जो आज उन्हें इस मंच तक लेकर आया है। तो आइए तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट के साथ हमारे उज्जवल सितारों और हमारे मुख्य अतिथि का स्वागत करें।
Good evening, everyone. It is indeed an honor and proud moment for me to announce the names of the academic achievers for the session 2023-2024 and 2022-2023. Let us begin by honoring the CBSE AISSCE Class 12 toppers from the session 2023-24. And they are, at the first, I would like to call Shumit Kumar, Rumjhum Sen, Bhumika Kumari, Vansika Photika, Peer Verma, Rajiv Kumar Pratap Singh, and Anvesha Verma. Now, from the session 2023-24, CBSE AISSE Class 10 toppers are Shumit Gupta, Yashu Pasari, and Anirudh Paul. While academics are essential, holistic development also plays a vital role in shaping well-rounded individual. It's now time to celebrate the achievement of our students beyond the classroom. Let's honor them with beyond academic awards. From the first, the Leadership Excellence Award goes to Akshat Pasari from class 12. The Defender of Responsibility Award goes to Rakhi Lavha from class 12. The Ambassador of Discipline Award goes to Ankit Chaudhary from class 12. The Attendance Excellence Award goes to Devanshu Chand from class 4. Neetu Besra from class 6, Sanjana Tudu from class 8. And now, the next book, the Most Improved Student Award, goes to Aman Gupta from class 4 and Narayan Gorai from class 7. Next, the Well-Mannered Stud Award goes to Simran Kumari from class 6, as well as Mangesh Kundu from class 7. The Beacon of Obedience Award goes to Arup Kumar Mandal from class 7 and Samir Bhuiya from class 9. The Soul of Dance Award goes to Sneha Mahato from class 6, Mansi Singh from class 11. The Melodic Marvel Award goes to Priyanksha Kumari from class 3, Sweta Sri from class 10. The Pinnacle of Creativity Award goes to Jahin Alam from class 4, Prasenjit Mandal from class 8. The Punctuality Pioneer Award goes to Deepika Mahali from class 6, Ankit Mahato from class 9. The Loyal Supporter Award goes to Kausal Pandey from class 7 and Kaushik Paramani from class 9. The Artistic Excellence Award goes to Shibham Mahato from class 8. And Nandita Pal from class 12. The Rising Star of Sports goes to Ravindra Maji from class 8 and Banishwar Hasda from class 9. The Most Innovative Thinker Award goes to Aman Prasad. And the Best Handwriting Award goes to Priya Tudu and Riya Singh Shaddar. All of you are requested to give a big round of applause for our students. Thank you, sir. Now, to honor and our remaining talented students, we have amid us a distinguished guest, Mr. Ravi Prakash Tiwari, Civic Judge, Magistrate of Chandil. His dedication to service and excellence sets a benchmark for us all. We humbly request you, sir, kindly step forward and distribute the certificate to our deserving candidates. Class 11. From class 11, I would like to call at first Shweta Nag, Rahul Jalan, Sudipto Kundu, and Rohit Jalan. From class 9, I would like to call Pragya Prabhav, Sahajev Adnan, Soirya Verma. From class 8, Madhupriya Mahato, Prachi Gupta, Srishti Das, and Rishabh Raj. From class 7, I would like to call Shudha Kundu, Neha Mahato, Rudra Ayush, And now from class 6, Puru Prabhav, Arab Singh, Kunal Mahato and Jaya Mahato. Thank you, sir. And now we are honored to invite a very special guest to the stage. I would like to call Pradyumna sir to come and distribute the certificate to our brilliant students. From class 5, I would like to call Vishnu Tudu. From the same session 2023-24, Ritesh Murmu, Ankit Raj Chaudhary, Sneha Mahato and Aditi Singh. From class 4, I would like to call Mahi Kumari, Shubham Kumar, Nisab Raj and Parinita Mahanti. From class 3, now I would like to call Aditi Rani Mahato, Bhavesh Mahato, Riddhima Kundu and Aradha Orao. From class 2, Priyansi Kumari, Nisi Kumari, Arusi Orao, thank you, sir. Yes. And now we are honored to invite a very special guest to the stage, a leader who exemplifies dedication and commitment to public service, our esteemed Chief Officer of Chandel, Mr. Amit Srivastav. Sir, we are requesting you to kindly come forward and distribute the certificate to our brilliant students. From the session 2023-24, from class 1, now I'd like to call Om Hriday Kundu, Muhammad Adnan Ansari, Mohit Kumar Mahato. From class UKG, Saurabh Mahato, Ayat Naj and Anupriya Besra. From class LKG, Sarita Mardi, Tausif Ansari, Abhijit Kumar Besra. And from class nursery, Vidit Paramanik, Prem Paramanik and Naitik Paramanik. Now from session 2022-23, from class 9, I would like to call the first Nikhil Murmu, Yasu Pasari and Jia Kumari. From class 8, Sajiv Adnan, Anjali Raj and Sayan Kundu. Thank you, sir. Now, thank you, sir. Now, we are privileged to have with us Mr. R.K. Sharma sir, the General Manager of BSIL, whose inspiring leadership and commitment to excellence was the truly remarkable. May I now request you, sir, to honor the distributing the certificate to our achievers. And from class 7, session 2022-23, I would like to call Aman Prasad, Prachi Gupta, Madhupriya Mahato and Sriti Das. From class 6, Shudha Kundu, Anokhi Kumari and Rudra Ayush. From class 5, Khushi Kumari, Kunal Mahato, Jaya Mahato and Anindita Mahanti. From class 4, Vishnu Tudu, Ankit Raj Chaudhary, Mohita Mahato and Prakrit De. Now from class 3, first Nisab Raj, Shubham Kumar, Soumya Tripathi. From class 2, first Rethima Kundu, Aditi Rani Mahato, Aradhya Orao. Class 1 Priyankshi Kumari, Nisa Kumari and Sanskar Dev. From class UKG, first Pranav Kumar Singh, Mohit Kumar Mahato and Mishti Gupta. From class LKG, first Anupriya Vesra, Kausik Hasda and Saurabh Mahato. Now I would like to call our respected principal ma'am to distribute the remaining certificate to Avit Kumar Mishra, Ankit Gaur and Tausif Ansari. Thank you ma'am and thank you sir.
Now, we request our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Vikas Rai sir, to address the audience with his inspiring words. Sir, please.
नमस्कार। यहाँ उपस्थित हमारे DMPS विद्यालय के जो भी शिक्षकगण हैं, अभिभावकगण हैं, इस विद्यालय में पढ़ने वाले बच्चों के, हम लोग अपना समय बर्बाद नहीं करेंगे और आपका भी समय बर्बाद नहीं करेंगे। आप जिस चीज़ के लिए आए हैं उसका आनंद लें। ज़्यादा कुछ हम लोग बोलेंगे नहीं, बस सभी बच्चों को इतना ही कहेंगे कि आप इस विद्यालय में पढ़ें, चाहे जिस भी विद्यालय में पढ़ें, मन लगा के पढ़ें। माता पिता सब कुछ लगा दिए हैं आपके लिए, अपने बच्चों के लिए। हर माता पिता चाहता है कि मेरा बच्चा पढ़ लिख के कुछ ऐसा बन जाए कि अपने पैरों पर खड़ा हो जाए। यह हम सभी मध्यम वर्गीय परिवार का रोना है और यही आशा रखते हैं माता पिता कि सारे बच्चे आगे बढ़ें हमारे, क्योंकि हमारे जीवन जीने का यही एक सहारा है। तो आप सभी बच्चों से बस इतना ही अनुरोध है कि अपने माता पिता के भावनाओं का ख्याल रखें और जिसके लिए वो दिन रात कर रहे हैं मेहनत, आप उसको साकार करें और कुछ अपने पैरों पर खड़े हो जाएं। आप उनके लिए कुछ करें चाहे ना करें, बस अपने पैरों पर खड़ा हो जाएं। इतने ही में माता पिता को बहुत गर्व महसूस होगा। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir, for your insightful and encouraging words. Have truly inspired us all. Your speech has motivated our students to dream big, work hard, and contribute positively to our society.
Without taking much of your time, permit us to start the program Rainbow, the color of emotions. Do you feel some turbulence around here?
Yes, I do.
The heartbeats have gone up and everyone is eager to sink into the depth of music, song, lights and joy. Well, here you are.
जैसे इंद्रधनुष अपने 7 रंगों से आसमान को सजाता है, वैसे ही हमारी जीवन की भावनाएं इसे खूबसूरत और जीवंत बनाती है। हर रंग एक भावना का प्रतीक है और हर भावना हमारे जीवन का अनमोल हिस्सा है। भावनाएं हमारे जीवन को संतुलित और समृद्ध बनाती है। आज की प्रस्तुतियों में हमारे प्रतिभाशाली छात्र नृत्य और कला के माध्यम से भावनाओं को जीवंत करेंगे।
Emotions play a central role in human lives and relationships. It is impossible to imagine life without emotion. We treasure our feelings, the joy at a ball game, the pleasure of the touch of a loved one, or the fun with friends on a night out.
यदि हम आज भावना की भूमिका को प्रकट कर ही रहे हैं तो ऐसे सबसे पहले हम सभी को याद आएंगे हमारे दादा दादी और नाना नानी, जो अपने पोता पोती के साथ बहुत ही विशेष बंधन को साझा करते हैं। वह हमसे माता पिता से भी कई अधिक प्रेम करते हैं। दादा दादी और नाना नानी हमारे लिए एक किताब की तरह होते हैं। वह जीवन में प्यार और समझदारी प्रदान करते हैं और हमें संस्कृति और परंपराओं का पालन कराते हैं। वे हमारे जीवन को सुंदरता और गहराई से भर देते हैं और हमारे लिए हमेशा महत्वपूर्ण रहेंगे।
Grandpa and Grandma, you are my sunshine, source of happiness, reason for my smile, cookie when I am hungry, and my friend when I wanted to play. Thanks for tolerating all my naughtiness with love. Let's see grandparents and grandchildren's emotional bonding through dance performances by the kids of nursery, lower KG and upper KG of our school.
अरे देखो देखो क्या क्या करतब दिखलाती है। कभी लंबी कभी छोटी, कभी पतली कभी मोटी, कभी लंबी कभी छोटी, कभी पतली कभी मोटी बन जाती है। हाँ, दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं, आगे पीछे खड़ी हूँ मैं। दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं, आगे पीछे खड़ी हूँ मैं। मैं ना जानू बात है क्या, लगते हैं खफा खफा। मैं ना जानू बात है क्या, लगते हैं खफा खफा। कब से पीछे पड़ी हूँ मैं, दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं, आगे पीछे खड़ी हूँ मैं। 16-17 साल की छड़ी है बड़ी कमाल की। पास अगर कोई दुश्मन आए, छड़ी मार कर उसे भगाए। उम्र तो एक दिन ढल जाती, छड़ी बुढ़ापे की साथी। उम्र तो एक दिन ढल जाती, छड़ी बुढ़ापे की साथी। छड़ी कहीं जो टूट गई, समझो किस्मत रूठ गई। छड़ी कहीं जो टूट गई, समझो किस्मत रूठ गई। 2 सांसों की कड़ी हूँ मैं, हे दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं, आगे पीछे खड़ी हूँ मैं। दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं, आगे पीछे खड़ी हूँ मैं। मैं ना जानू बात है क्या, लगते हैं खफा खफा। अरे मैं ना जानू बात है क्या, लगते हैं खफा खफा। कब से पीछे पड़ी हूँ मैं,
आप जानते हैं हम दादा दादी और नाना नानी की आंखों के तारे होते हैं। तो आइए देखते हैं कि पोता पोती अपने दादा दादी को कैसे मनाते हैं।
दादी अम्मा मान जाओ, दादी अम्मा मान जाओ। छोड़ो जी गुस्सा जरा हंस के दिखाओ। दादी अम्मा मान जाओ। दादी
अपने बच्चों के प्रति दादा दादी का प्यार और स्नेह बेहद बेमिसाल होता है, लेकिन हमें यह भूलना नहीं चाहिए माता पिता हमें भगवान की ओर से दिए गए सबसे कीमती और अनमोल उपहार है। हम सबको अपने माता पिता को अहमियत देनी चाहिए। माँ एक ऐसी बैंक है जहाँ आप हर भावना और दुख जमा कर सकते हैं, और पिता एक ऐसा क्रेडिट कार्ड है जिनके पास बैलेंस ना होते हुए भी सपना पूरा करने की कोशिश करते हैं। माता और पिता ऐसे होते हैं जिनके होने का एहसास तो कभी नहीं होता, लेकिन ना होने का एहसास बहुत होता है।
So guys, let's observe and enjoy how students of grade 1st and 2nd appreciate their parents through dance forms.
अकेले तुम, जो हम तुम संग है तो फिर क्या गम। तू मेरा दिल, तू मेरी जान, I love you daddy। तू मासूम, तू शैतान, but you love me daddy। तू मेरा दिल, तू मेरी जान, I love you daddy। तू मासूम, तू शैतान, but you love me daddy। तू मेरा दिल, तू मेरी जान, I love you daddy। तू मासूम, तू शैतान, but you love me daddy।
Parents are like a lighthouse guiding us through the dark sea of life. They show us the right path and help us make good choices. They are always there to listen, to help, and to protect us. Think about the times when you were sad or scared. Who was there to comfort you? It was your parents, right?
मुझे इस दुनिया में लाया, मुझे बोलना चलना सिखाया। ओ मात पिता तुम्हें वंदन, मैंने किस्मत से तुम्हें पाया। मुझे इस दुनिया में लाया, मुझे बोलना चलना सिखाया। ओ मात पिता तुम्हें वंदन, मैंने किस्मत से तुम्हें पाया। मैं जब से जग में आया, बन तब से शीतल छाया। कभी सहलाया गोदी में, कभी कंधों पे बिठाया। मेरे सर पर हाथ रख कर बस प्यार ही प्यार लुटाया। ओ मात पिता तुम्हें वंदन, मैंने किस्मत से तुम्हें पाया। मैंने किस्मत से तुम्हें पाया।
जिस तरह हमारे माँ बाप हम सभी को बचपन में शहजादों की तरह पालते हैं, उसी तरह हम सभी का भी फर्ज बनता है कि उनके बुढ़ापे में उनको बादशाहों की तरह रखें। An emotional relationship with nature that is one of love and compassion just cannot be monetized or commodified as we presently do, but should be embraced as an intrinsic part of ourselves and to be cherished and protected.
हम सभी को पर्यावरण में प्लास्टिक प्रदूषण को रोकना चाहिए और प्रदूषण रहित दुनिया बनाने के तरीकों में योगदान करना चाहिए।
कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे। अगर सुन लो जिस्म लेना हम तो बम ये फट जाएगा कि बहती सी नदियाँ का ये पानी रुक जाएगा।
अगर सुन लो जिस्म लेना हम तो बम ये फट जाएगा कि बहती सी नदियाँ का ये पानी रुक जाएगा।
कि कर दो रहम धरती का ये दम भी घुट जाएगा कि कुदरत की नस नस में जहर ये बस जाएगा। प्लास्टिक के हम सब मोहताज हैं, कैसा ये समाज है।
ना हो हाथों में आज है
मौका ये अब ना गवाए रे। टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 टिक
प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए
टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे।
हवा अर्थात वायु पृथ्वी पर जीवन को बनाए रखने के लिए सबसे ज़रूरी तत्व है, तो आइए इसके प्रदूषण पर लगाम लगाकर स्वस्थ भविष्य के निर्माण का संकल्प करें।
धुआं 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 ही धुआं। धुआं 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 ही धुआं। ये साजिशें दिशाओं की, ये साजिशें हवाओं की लहू लुहान हो गई ज़मीं ये देवताओं की। न शंख की सदाएं हैं न अब सदा अज़ान की। नजर मेरी जमीन को लगी है आसमान की। है दर बदर ये लोग क्यों जले हैं बादल भी मैला है, घुटता है दम यहाँ जो धुआं धुआं फैला है।
काला काला आसमान, बादल भी मैला है, घुटता है दम यहाँ जो धुआं धुआं फैला है। फैक्ट्री हो, केमिकल हो, चूल्हा हो या कार हो, पोल्यूशन की मार से बच्चे क्यों बीमार हो।
जल ही हमारा जीवन है। जैसे माँ एक बच्चे को सहेज कर रखती है, वैसे ही हमें अपने इस जीवनदायिनी जल को रखना चाहिए।
आज ब्लू है पानी 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 पानी, और दिन भी सानी 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 सानी। आज ब्लू है पानी 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 पानी, और दिन भी सानी 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 सानी।
आज समझ में आई आज, अरे बिटिया तेरी बात समझ में आई आज, बिटिया तेरी बात। हमसे हो रहा था पाप, पानी होगा ना अब बर्बाद, रहेगा जीवन भी आबाद। क्यों ना हम अपनी कोशिश से पानी रोज बचाएं, छोटी तरकीबें अपना कर जल स्तर को उठाएं। जीवन फले फूलेगा, अपना भविष्य भी मुस्काएगा, माँ धरती के उपकारों का कर्ज अदा।
क्या आप इन सब बातों से सहमत हैं? क्या आप हमारा साथ देंगे? अगर आप इन सब बातों से सहमत हैं तो अपने हाथ ऊपर कर सहमति दीजिए। अगर आप इन सब बातों से सहमत हैं तो अपने हाथ ऊपर कर सहमति दीजिए। अपने हाथ ऊपर कर सहमति दीजिए। जल बचाओ, जीवन बचाओ। जल है